Good morning, students. I am Kamal Nath. I welcome you all in class of grammar. Students, you know very well, last week you all studied models and their uses. And I know you must have learned all the uses of different models, and at the same time you must have done exercises. Today we are going to start chapter 12 of grammar, that is adverbs. Let us know first what is adverbs. An adverb is a word which modifies or tells something about a verb, that is an action, an adjective or another adverb. Let us repeat it and know it here minutely. An adverb is a word which modifies or tells something about a verb, an adjective and another adverb. Let us just know it widely through examples. She speaks politely. Here you can see adverb in the sentence is politely, which is telling something, which is describing about verb, that is speaks. If you ask question in this sentence, how does she speak? The answer will be politely. So politely is explaining how an action is done. That is here is speaking. She speaks politely. So politely describes or modifies the action, that is speak. So politely is an adverb in this sentence. This is a very beautiful painting. Here you can see in this sentence which word is adverb. This is a very beautiful painting. In this sentence, very before beautiful is an adverb. It is describing the adjective. As in the definition we have learned, adverb is a word which tells something, describes something or modifies an action word, that is verb, an adjective or another adverb. Adverb even modifies another adverb in the sentence as well. We shall learn through examples. This is a very beautiful painting. In this sentence, beautiful is adjective, and before beautiful the word very is describing about adjective. To what extent this painting is beautiful? Very beautiful. So this very word is describing an adjective in this sentence, and so it is an adverb. The old man walks very slowly. The old man walks very slowly. Here the action, that is walk, you can see here walk, is here modifies. Here that another word is here, that is very. Very is describing about here the walk and how the old man walks very slowly. So here very is adverb which is describing another adverb, that is slowly. Slowly is itself an adverb, and before slowly, before adverb, another word, that is very, that is describing slowly, that is adverb. So according to the definition we have learned, an adverb is a word which describes or tells something about verb, an adjective and another adverb. So you have seen in the first sentence, politely describes or modifies the verb speak. In second sentence, very is an adverb which is modifying adjective, that is beautiful. And third sentence, very is describing another adverb, that is slowly. So in this way things are clear. What is an adverb, and you must have understood it. Student, let me tell you, there are 10 kinds of adverbs. Here in the book that you have to study one by one: adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of degree, adverbs of reason, adverbs of affirmation, adverbs of negation, interrogative adjective and relative adjective. So let us see one by one we shall study. And here the warm up that is given. In every chapter in the beginning you are given some questions so that you can check yourself about your knowledge, previous knowledge related to that topic. Here also in this chapter you have warm up to check yourself whether you are knowing adverb or not. So you will select one option from the bracket and you will fill in the blanks in this exercise. Later on I shall discuss you this one, I shall come to know from you, and I will send you even here solved exercise also. So let us see now here kinds of adverbs. As I told you 10 kinds. Today I will explain you 5 kinds, and no doubt other day the rest of 5 I will explain you. We shall do here exercises related to that. We shall discuss in the class. Kinds of adverbs. There are 10 kinds of adverbs. The first is adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner. So adverbs of manner here tells adverbs of manner. What is adverbs of manner? Adverbs of manner tell us how an action happens, how an action takes place. So let us see example. What is he finishes the work quickly. He finishes the work quickly. Quickly. Here the word is an adverb which is describing the verb work. Here finish. He finishes the work quickly. How does he finish the work? That will be quickly. Answer will be quickly. So this quickly is here adverbs of manner. They spoke to us politely. Here politely is describing the action word, that is here speak. They spoke to us politely. How did they speak to us? Answer will be politely. So word politely tells about the action of speaking. Second one is here adverbs of time. Adverbs of time. Adverbs of time tells us when an action happens or takes place. Let us understand it better through examples. We get up early in the morning. In the morning. Here, early in the morning is what here? The adverbs of time. If you ask question, when do you get up? You will answer, we get up early in the morning. So this shows the time. I will come back soon. I will come back soon. So here soon is describing the action of coming. I will come back soon. It tells about time. He came to school late. So in this sentence, late is here adverbs of time. Through these sentences, we can understand better here about adverbs. Adverbs of place. Next one, third is adverbs of place. What is adverbs of place? It tells us, means adverbs of place tells us where an action takes place. Adverb of place tells us where an action takes place. Keep those books on the table. Keep those books on the table. Where? On the table. If you will answer here, where to keep the books, the answer will be on the table. So here, on the table in this sentence is adverbs of place. They work here. Where do they work? Answer will be here. So here in this sentence is adverbs of place. Next one, fourth is adverbs of frequency. Frequency, clear word is here. Frequency means any action that takes how many times. Okay, repeating how many times. So when an action takes again and again, or takes never takes place. So in this way, we keep those categories of adverbs in adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often an action takes place. Adverbs of frequency tell us how an action, how often an action takes place. That here how often is what here answering frequency. She always attends the class. She always, here the word always here tells that she attends the class, that is here she is never missing, always. So you see next sentence, he rarely goes to market. Seldom, rarely means seldom. Means it is a negative term, in fact here rarely means hardly, perhaps never. I often go to church. So in this sentence, often is adverbs of frequency. Always in the first sentence, rarely in the second sentence, often in the third sentence. These are adverbs of frequency, which answers here how often an action takes place. So let us see next one here. Next one is here, fifth one, adverbs of degree. It tells us the level of extent to which a quality exists. Level or extent to which a quality extent here exists. It is quite dangerous to drive fast. Here dangerous, okay, dangerous is adjective, and before that is quite dangerous. So this quite is what here? It is telling the level or extent. Okay, how much? That means quite dangerous. So it answers here about the extent or level which a quality exists. He is very generous person. He is very generous. Before generous, that is here adjective, generous is adjective. Before that, very is here answering about the level or extent. He is a very generous person. How much? Very generous person. So these here kinds of adverbs help us to understand English better, and we can even analyze or make analysis of every sentence. Okay, if adverbs used, then what kind of adverbs they are. So today I have explained you these 5 kinds of adverbs. Next day 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, the rest 5 I will explain, and with that I will explain some exercises as well. So you will do warm up and even exercise A of this chapter, and next day certainly we shall conclude the chapter. Thank you students. Thank you very much all of you joining the class. Thank you.